The character Feng could be imagined as evolving from the shape of a luxuriant plant. Feng means abundant, rich. Feng could be visualized as 3 pairs of ear weights on a wheat plant. Wow, what a bumper harvest! Bumper harvest. Feng show. Feng abundant. Show harvest. Feng show bumper harvest. Feng abundant, plentiful. Feng fu abundant. Feng fu abundant. The dog has rich experience in making people happy. Rich, feng fu. Feng means fine-looking, great. Feng cai expression. Feng cai, fine manners. Panda's graceful bearings. 熊猫的风采。五 means noon, midday. Character Wu could be imagined as a man with a straw hat on his head, standing under the sun. Wu, noon. 餐 food. 午餐 lunch. A man who, early in his career, was told there's no such thing as free lunch, and ever since, he's been stuffing rolls in his pocket at breakfast. Lunch, 午餐。午 noon, midday. 上 previous. 午上午 morning. 下 later. 午下午 afternoon. 中 middle. 午中午 midday. Joke time. What goes on 4 legs in the morning, on 2 at noon, and on 3 in the evening? People, they crawled when they were babies and walked with 2 legs before they had to rely on a crutch in old age. Morning, 上午 noon, 中午. Can you tell the difference between character Wu and Niu? Niu means cattle. Ask not what you can do for your country. Ask what's for lunch. I don't like people eating beef. Lunch, 午饭 beef, 牛肉. 少 means few, little, less. 少 could be imagined as evolving in this way. You have lots of bananas, and I have only 4. I have fewer bananas. This character also pronounces 少, meaning young. This young person is enjoying skateboarding. Young person, 少年. 少 young. 年 age. 少年 early youth. 少 means few, be short. Loose, stop. 花 spend. 钱 money. 少 less. 花钱少 spend lightly. One day, my wife's credit card got stolen. What a relief it was to find that the thief spends less than my wife. Spend less, 花钱少. 少 young. 男 man. 女 woman. 老 aged. 少 young. 男女老少 men and women, old and young. I will drink less beer, Last year, I drank enough beer to have kept the Titanic afloat. Drink less beer. 少喝啤酒。指 evolves from the shape of a foot. 指 means stop, as the feet stop. Characters with 指 as a component all have to do with activities connected with the foot. 指 could be imagined as a man stops in front of a pole. 停 stop. 止 stop. 停止 stop. I told my doctor I want to stop aging. He gave me a gun. Stop. 停止. 止 means stop, close, only. 防 defense. 止 stop. 防止 prevent. Regular naps prevent old age, especially if you take them while driving. Prevent 防止